Welcome Spartan Meal Preps fam. Today I'm diving into a topic that's very overseen, intermittent fasting. You've probably heard of it, but what exactly is it? And more importantly, how can it potentially transform your life? Let's find out. First off, intermittent fasting isn't just a diet. It's a pattern of eating. It's not about changing what you eat, it's about changing when you eat. The most popular form, the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Sounds challenging, right? But the benefits are definitely worth it. One of the biggest advantages of intermittent fasting is weight loss. Without making any other changes to your diet, simply by restricting your eating to a smaller time frame, you can reduce your calorie intake and boost hormone function to facilitate weight loss. But that's not all. Intermittent fasting also enhances brain health. It increases the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which plays a crucial role in learning and memory. Imagine not just a healthier body, but also a sharper mind. Now, let's talk about longevity. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can lead to a longer life. This might be due to reduced oxidative stress and increased resistance to stress at a cellular level. It's like giving your body a mini break to recuperate and strengthen. But how does it feel, you ask? From personal experience, the first few days can be tough. You might feel hungry or a bit sluggish. But once your body adapts, it's a game changer. You start feeling more energetic. Your mind seems clearer, and those cravings, they begin to diminish. Of course, it's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new diet regimen, especially if you have underlying health issues. So, if you're looking for a way to reset your body, boost your brain, and maybe even extend your life, intermittent fasting might just be the key. Give it a shot, and who knows, it could change your life, just like it changed mine. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how you can live a healthier, more balanced life. See you in the next one. Don't forget to visit us today at SpartanMealPreps.com.